In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find insights in Mailchimp, a powerful tool to help you understand your marketing campaigns and audience engagement. By the end of this session, you'll be equipped to navigate through Mailchimp's analytics and harness the data you gather effectively. So let's dive right in. To get started, head over to Mailchimp's website. Once there, you'll need to log into your account. If you're not a frequent user, make sure you have your credentials handy so that logging in is a breeze. After you've successfully logged in, you should see a menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is your control panel, and from here you'll be able to access all the insights Mailchimp has to offer. Click on Analytics and then select Reports. This pathway is your gateway to a world of valuable information about your campaigns, your audience, and overall email engagement. Exploring the Reports section, you will immediately notice insights related to your campaigns. Here, it's all about understanding how your emails are performing. To get a more granular view, click on Campaigns from the menu. Now select one of your campaigns. This is where the magic happens. You'll access detailed reports featuring key metrics such as open rates, click rates, and more extensive subscriber behavior data. These reports are instrumental in identifying what's working and what might need tweaking to enhance your campaign's effectiveness. Now let's shift our focus to audience insights. Navigate to audience, then all contacts, and finally audience analytics. This area provides a treasure trove of data about the people who interact with your emails. You'll find audience growth reports that show how your subscriber list is evolving over time, engagement trends that can help you tailor content to what your audience loves, and demographic data giving you insights into who your audience really is. These analytics collectively enable you to build profiles and ultimately more personalized campaigns. Last but certainly not least, one of the most compelling features Mailchimp offers is comparative insights. Navigate back to reports and look for comparative reports. This feature allows you to benchmark your performance against industry standards. It's like getting a bird's eye view that helps you determine where you stand in comparison to similar businesses. Knowing how you stack up can be a game changer, as it provides context and helps set realistic targets for growth and improvement. And there you have it. By following these steps in Mailchimp, you are now ready to tap into the valuable insights that can significantly boost your marketing strategies. Understanding these analytics not only guides decision making, but also aids in achieving your communication goals. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this walkthrough enhances your Mailchimp experience.